Good morning guys, my name is David and I'm from Patriot Outdoors and welcome to a featured build of the month video. So for this month we are looking at a custom built Remington 700 rifle. So sit back and enjoy as we take a quick breakdown of this rifle. So if we start off with the business end of this rifle, it is a 24-inch Krieger barrel. The specific contour is a medium Palmer. It is a 30 caliber barrel with a 1 in 10 twist, and the specific rifle is chambered in the classic old 300 Win Mag. When we look towards the action side, it is a clean Remington 700 long action with a Magnum bolt face. So any long action with a Magnum bolt face caliber, you'll effectively be able to run from this action itself. This whole system is mounted in a custom-made laminated wood stock. It already has the free floating of the barrel up until the nocks. There is aluminum bedding and everything done to the stock as well. When we move towards the trigger side, you are looking at a Bixen anti-taxport trigger. The specific one is set up at about, I would estimate it at about, say, 1.5 pounds of trigger breakage. Bolt has obviously been worked a little bit as well. You can feel it's really nice and smooth, soft action, which is always nice. It's one of the go-to things. We decided to top this whole package off with a Element 3-18. It's a 50 objective lens with a 34mm base tube, and the specific reticle is an APR 2D MOA reticle. So with us here in South Africa being 6 days into the hunting season, I would say this whole package, specifically if you take into consideration the weight, the caliber, the length, and the overall balance, this rifle is going to be a pretty nice spin off with regards to everything. I mean, if you look at the caliber itself, the 300 Win Mag, not one of the lightest calibers, but it's going to be balanced out quite a lot with the thicker profile of the barrel, the heavier composition of the stock, which is going to help a lot more with a little bit of recoil management. But this rifle is also going to be light enough for a walk and stalk. So I would say this is going to be a really nice spin off with regards to everything. This is a pretty neatly balanced rifle. So it is heavy enough. Obviously, you have your precision, you have your chamber cut precision and everything like that. If you would like to go on to the longer ranges and do a little bit of gong shoots or something like that, wouldn't necessarily recommend it for competition shooting, but you can if you really want to. But the specific setup, all in all, screams hunting, hunting, take me hunting. Right guys, this was a really short video. Thank you for tuning in and watching it with us. If you like content like this, please drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't signed up to the VIP newsletter yet, please feel free to do so. All of our important information will be on there. New arrivals, specials, promotions, all of that stuff will be on there. So feel free to check it out and sign up. And as always from my side, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and we will see you shortly.